How to cook toad in the hole. Cooking for men and students. Vegetarian friendly. Please subscribe to get all our easy to cook meals. How to cook toad in the hole, a traditional English dish. No, not that kind of toad. This kind. What you'll need. Not a lot, is it? A packet of corn or pork sausages. 140 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs, 20 millilitres of milk, mixed vegetables to accompany. One of these will come in handy, but you can use one of these. You will definitely need one of these baking dishes. What it will cost. Meal for 3 people, £3.82, per person, £1.27. Preparation time, 1 hour. 25 minutes to cook sausages, plus a further 25 minutes to cook toad in the hole. I think perhaps a nice little white wine will go well with toad in the hole. But don't listen to me, I'm a bit of a barbarian. I drink white wine at room temperature. What to do? Open bottle of wine and pour into a glass. Drink wine. Add a little oil to a baking dish. Add 9 corn or pork sausages, 3 per person, to baking dish. Drizzle a little more oil over sausages. Place in oven at 200 degrees. I cook everything at 200 degrees. Now make the batter. Put 140 grams of plain flour in a mixing bowl. If you don't have scales, the flour will come up to the 8 ounce mark on your measuring jug. Plain flour is used because eggs act as a raising agent. Crack 2 eggs on top of the flour in bowl. Measure 200 ml of milk in your measuring jug. Whisk eggs and flour with fork as you slowly pour milk into the bowl. Although you can whisk with a fork, it's so much easier to use an electric whisk. When sausages are cooked, after about 25 minutes, remove from oven. Arrange sausages so there are 3 sausages per person and pour over batter. Return baking tray with sausages and batter to oven and cook for about 25 minutes. Put mixed vegetables on stove to boil. When boiling, turn heat down to a simmer. You should have some spare time now for another glass of wine. When batter begins to rise, boil kettle and make gravy if required. When batter turns a dark golden brown, remove from oven. Note, if batter is only a light brown, the bottom of the batter won't be cooked. Cut toad in the hole with a sharp knife. Use metal spatula to transfer toad in the hole to plates. Drain vegetables in colander. Add vegetables to plates. Pour gravy over your toad in the hole. Enjoy your toad in the hole with another glass of wine. Ah, perfect. For more easy to cook meals, hit the subscribe button.